Hello everyone, this is Manali. Welcome to my channel Miss Curl. So today's topic is kind of my favorite topic because today's topic is about coffee. Okay, I love coffees and I like cappuccinos and lattes more than black coffee. And it really breaks my heart to go to those cafes and buy those expensive cappuccinos and lattes. So that's why I'm always in the search of product using which I can make cappuccinos and lattes at home only, and which will make my coffee taste better. So in search of those product, I came across one product on Amazon which is kind of a milk replacement. But FYI, I'm not lactose intolerant and I'm not trying to cut down dairy from my diet. It is just a replacement of milk because I want to make my coffee taste better. So that's why I bought this product from Amazon, and that product is Nestle's Coffee Mate. So I bought Nestle's Coffee Mate in 3 varieties. One is the original one. Second one is the caramel latte, and third one is the hazelnut one. Okay, 2 of them I bought in the flavor version, and only one in the original one. The original one have 10 calories per tablespoon. Focus. Yeah, and the hazelnut one have the flavored one have 15 calories per teaspoon, and the caramel one also have 15 calories per teaspoon. These Nestle's Coffee Mate come in different varieties of flavor on Amazon, like in vanilla flavor, in chocolate flavor. They also comes in the form of sugar free also. These 2 are not sugar free, they contain sugar, but they also comes in sugar free version also. These Nestle's Coffee Mate are a great replacement of milk. If you're trying to cut down dairy from your diet and still want your coffee to be milky and creamy, you can definitely try this. They are, as you all can see, they are non-dairy, lactose-free, cholesterol-free and gluten-free. If you are someone who is allergic to gluten, you can also try this. They are really yummy. They make your coffee really yummy. And yes, in this video we are going to talk about pros and cons of this Nestle's Coffee Mate. Also, we are going to talk about how to make yummy coffee using this Nestle's Coffee Mate. So first, let's make our coffee. So I have this hot water in a glass. I will put this instant coffee in this hot water. I like my coffee a little bit strong, so I'll put little bit more of the coffee. Stir it nicely. Now I'll put the caramel latte one in my coffee. Yes, and these bottles come with this nozzle on the top. So pouring the powder in the coffee will get little convenient using this nozzle. So you can put how much you want according to your taste and how creamy you want your coffee. So according to that, you can put the coffee mate in your coffee. Yeah, that's much is enough. And these flavored one, as I told you, they are not sugar free. I haven't bought them sugar free, so they are a little bit sweet also. So that's why I'm not putting any sugar in my coffee, because I know this Coffee Mate will make me a coffee sweet also. So that's how my coffee is ready. So my yummy coffee is ready. Okay, I can taste little bit of caramel also. This flavored one gives the little hint of flavors also in the coffee along with the sweetness. In the caramel one, I can literally taste the caramel flavor in it, and also in the hazelnut one, I can literally taste the hazelnut flavor in it. So my coffee is really yummy. It really makes your coffee super yummy. Now while sipping this yummy coffee, let's talk about pros and cons of Nestle's Coffee Mate. Now while sipping this yummy coffee, let's talk about pros of this Nestle's Coffee Mate. The first pro is this Nestle's Coffee Mate makes your coffee really yummy. The second pro is this Nestle's Coffee Mate comes in different varieties of flavor, and whenever you put this coffee mate in your coffee, it gives a nice hint of that flavor to your coffee. And it's like putting the syrups in your coffee, like vanilla syrup or caramel syrup or hazelnut syrup, something like that in your coffee. So it tastes really nice. Okay. The third pro is this Nestle's Coffee Mate comes with a shelf life of 2 to 3 years. So if you are living in a very hot area where you cannot store the milk, you can always keep the bottle of this Nestle's Coffee Mate with you and make your coffee using this Nestle's Coffee Mate. So this is the third pro of this coffee mate. The fourth pro is whenever you are traveling and you want to have a coffee, you can always carry this bottle of coffee mate with you, and something like this, the instant coffee with you, and I mean, you can get hot water anywhere. So using all this, you can make yummy coffee on the go. Okay, and the fifth pro is I got this Nestle's Coffee Mate for about 700 rupees from Amazon. If you will buy this from any grocery store, something like that, you will get it more cheaper. And I mean, I have used the caramels one before also, and I have used this for like 3 months continuously. Every day I was using this, and for the 3 months I have used this. I mean, you will need very little amount your coffee, and this will last you for like 2 to 3 months. So I think it is very convenient when it comes to the price also. So these are the pros of Nestle's Coffee Mate. Now let's talk about the cons of this Nestle's Coffee Mate. The first and most important con I can think about of this Nestle's Coffee Mate is that it is a good replacement of milk when it comes to taste, but it is not a good replacement of milk when it comes to the nutritional value. Okay, the milk is a high source of calcium and many more nutrients, but this Nestle's Coffee Mate, it doesn't have any nutritional value. It doesn't give any health benefit. Okay, as you can see here, it shows that it have 15 calories, it has some fats, but it doesn't have any other nutrition, like no protein, nothing is there. And also here it is written as, I'll read it for you, not a significant source of dietary fiber, vitamin D, calcium, iron and potassium. So these are all the nutrients we get from milk, but not from Nestle's Coffee Mate. Also, this Nestle's Coffee Mate have a shelf life of 2 to 3 years. That means this have a lot of preservatives in them. So, and also most important thing, when it comes to the flavored one, as you can see, the sugar is the first ingredient. Sugar is the first ingredient listed on their ingredient list. That means the flavored one have lots of sugar in it. And the original one, though it doesn't give any sweet taste to your coffee, this also have sugar. Yeah, you can see it. This also have sugar in it. I mean, the original one have very little amount of sugar in it, but it does have sugar in it. So if you're someone who is trying to cut down sugar from your diet, maybe this is not a good option for you. So this is the only con I can think about the Nestle's Coffee Mate, but it is a very important con because we all have to think about our health, right? So this is my opinion about Nestle's Coffee Mate. So while sipping this yummy coffee, I'll end this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have used the Nestle's Coffee Mate or you're planning to use it, you like it or you didn't like it. I hope this video was useful for you. And if you really like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. Till then, see you soon. Bye.